Pranking myself. So, for more exciting videos, go check on my next. Pranking for the second time. For more exciting videos, pranking myself again. John Cena! For more exciting videos, hairstyle. For more exciting videos, goodbye.